Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about this mini handheld sewing machine. I'll be using the Handy Stitch brand. I've been using Handy Stitch brand for quite a while, and here's my review. This is how the machine fits on my hand. It fits perfectly. It measures 21 length times 6.5 width times 3.5 centimeters height. It weighs 11.2 ounces. Here are the parts, key features, and things you should know before you buy. The key features for this machine is it is adequate for quick stitching job, doesn't take much storage space, outperforms conventional desktop machine, easy to use for beginners, fits your arm, powered by 4 AA batteries, meaning you don't have to use electricity, travel friendly, and it's ideal for any material, be it silk, cotton, any leather, any material. When unboxing the machine, the packaging includes portable sewing machine, bobbin sewing thread, needles, measuring tape, threader, spindle, and an English manual. Things to take note before buying. The fabric should be 1.8 millimeters. Can't work with too thick or too thin materials. It is a single thread sewing machine, so you have to tie a knot after you're done. Doesn't come with an adapter. I'll be demonstrating how the machine works, the parts, how to sew in a thread, and if you want a step-by-step procedure of how to make it work, please comment down below. And if you find the video interesting, please subscribe. Also, I'll be showing you the adapter I custom made for myself, and it works perfectly. A needle thread is provided, but you can still do this.